A professional website design course is what you need this particular year. As you watch this video right now, I want you to know that the economy of the nation is not getting any better. It will be completely wrong for you to depend on the presidency for your daily bread. You can employ yourself. You can create your own job. Enroll for our 100% practical website design training from the comfort of your home, wherever you are nationwide. You sit down in your house with your smartphone in your hands, and I teach you. You watch it practical as I demonstrate with video, practical on WhatsApp, on any other platform you belong to. Right in your smartphone, you receive the lecture. 100% practical website design from the comfort of your home for almost free, just with a little pocket money of 3K. That is the promo we are doing right now. Instead of 10K, with just 3K, you can become a professional website designer, a professional website creator. You don't need to have any previous coding knowledge. You don't need to have any previous programming knowledge, writing of code and all of that. From the comfort of your home, I can introduce you to the world of amazing professional website development. What you need to do is to send me a WhatsApp message right now with the number you can see on your screen. If you have your 3K ready and you are ready to enroll for this professional practical website design training, then send me a WhatsApp message right away to get our company account details. This is legit. You can develop your own site and begin to make money with your site. Think of website like Neraland today. Neraland.com has over how many millions of Nigeria registered users. Millions of Nigerians are registered on Neraland. If you don't know, that is huge money for the owner of Neraland. Linda Ikeji blog and so many other blogs that are coming up today. You can develop your own blog from scratch and begin to make profit with it. You can create your own forum like Neraland and begin to make profit with it. You can build for people and charge them any amount you want to charge them. Send a WhatsApp message if you have your 3K and you want the training from the comfort of your home. You don't need to travel to any city to attend a seminar. Sit in your house and allow me teach you. Send a WhatsApp message to get our account details. Now, for example, think about this. How many churches do you have in your town or city? How many private schools do you have there? How many company and NGOs you have there? I can bet you many of them don't have a website yet, because Nigeria is still a developing country. You need those persons to patronize you. You need their money. You can actually set up a decent, professional, clean and sweet website within 2 days. In some cases, within 1 day. It all depends on how free you are, because you can actually do it without leaving your present job in case you are employed. If you're a student, you can actually do it without it interrupting your education. And you don't need a capital. In case I've not told you that, you don't need a capital as a website designer. When you are given a job, your client give you deposit. Is that deposit you use for any little expenses you have to do, and the rest of them is profit. The rest of them, up to 70% of money given to you, will likely be your profit. If you are interested in practical website development, practical website design, such that you begin to create your own websites, such that you begin to create websites for organizations like churches, like mosques, other places of worship. You begin to create websites for private schools in your cities and your towns. You begin to create websites for boutique owners and other business owners, and you make cool money on weekly basis. And you build your own website, your own blog. I will show you how to make money with your own site and your own blog also in the course of this training. If you're interested, we are doing a promo. Just with 3K, you can enroll for this training. From the comfort of your home, I'll begin to teach you on WhatsApp. Your videos will be sent on daily basis, and I will speak with you on daily basis. send me a WhatsApp message. I'm waiting for you. In advance, I wish you success. Welcome to the world of daily money making.